today I wanted to bring you along while I am making homemade laundry soap. I'm trying to go with a more natural approach to cleaning products and things like that in my home, and I was just reading a book. It's this book right here, A Clean Mama's Guide to Healthy Living. I will link it down in the description below. It's been really helpful, and it came with a lot of good recipes in it. And so today I wanted to try making my own homemade laundry soap. I do have a load of laundry, so I'm going to make it and then I'll bring you along while I wash my laundry. So for this recipe, it only has 5 simple ingredients. There is borax, super washing soda, laundry booster, essential oils. I chose lemon and lavender because I thought they smelled really good together, baking soda, and then a bar of Castile soap. So I'm going to go get moving and get it all put together. So the first thing we're going to do is, it says to grate 1 bar of Castile soap. It says you can use any scent that you want. I went with the unscented route because I didn't know exactly if I would want a scent or anything like that. I'm going to just grate that. So the author of the book does say that you can use your food processor for this. I just don't want to get mine out right now, so I'm just hand grating it. Plus, I don't mind grating. Grating is something I don't find to be like a tedious job, so. So now that I have the Castile soap all grated, I'm going to add it into my bucket. So the next thing it says we need is 2 cups of borax, so I'm going to add that now. So the next thing we need is 2 cups of Arm & Hammer washing soda. There's 1. There is 2. It says we need 1 cup of baking soda. I'm going to add that. I just bought the Aldi's brand baking soda. It didn't specify a brand, so I've always used Aldi's, so I think this should work just fine. So there's that. Then it says 30 drops of essential oils. Any scents that you choose is fine. I chose the lemon and the lavender. I think I'm going to do 15 of each. Now that I have all my ingredients added, I'm going to just stir it up real quick. It does say to try to keep the dust down to a minimum, so I'm not going to like aggressively stir or anything like that. Kind of get all the ingredients mixed together. I think it's all stirred together now. So I'm going to put it in a glass jar with a lid, and then I'm going to go use it. So I found this cute little square jar on a fray pile. So I'm going to use that for now, and then I'm going to put the rest, I think, in canning jars. I can just refill this so it's easier to take with me when I do my laundry. Don't have a washer here, so I have to go elsewhere to do my laundry. So I think this is perfect size for bringing it all the soap along with me. And it smells really good. I really like the lemon and the lavender scent. Really nice smell. So I was reading through the directions, and it says that we're supposed to use 1 tablespoon of laundry soap for a high efficiency machine, or you can use 2 of it if you don't have a high efficiency machine. The washing machine that I'm going to be using is a high efficiency, so I'm only going to be using that 1 tablespoon. But if you want to make this and you have a not high efficiency machine, you still can use this on your machine. You just need to double the amount of soap you're putting in. So I washed my load of laundry with the homemade laundry soap that I made, and I think the real test is to see if Colin's socks are still stinky or not. Yeah, they're not stinky. They smell, it's not a strong scent, but there's a slight, they smell fresh. They smell clean. So I think I'd say this works pretty well. I haven't tried it on like other extremely stinky things, but it does work pretty well. So I did some math, and I factored that it was $7.23 that I spent to make the soap. And when you divide that by about 92 loads that it should make, it's about 8 cents per load. And 8 cents per load is cheaper than almost anything else I could find store-bought. And just for reference, I looked up, these are all Amazon prices. I looked up, it's about 40 cents per load for Tide Pods, 20 cents for just liquid Tide. Gain is 17 cents a load. Gain Pods are 24 cents a load. Dr. Meyer's all natural soap, which is more of what we're going for here, is 25 cents a load. And Dr. Suds powdered, which is almost exactly what I made, was 15 cents a load. Now I understand with these you're getting convenience, but I would say that saving between 6 and 30 cents a load, give or take, for laundry over time adds up, and it really took me less than 10 minutes to combine everything, put it in jars, and get it all settled. So I would say at the end it's worth it, also for the peace of mind that you know exactly what went into it. You know that there's no hidden chemicals, anything like that in it. So I will link in the description below all the links for all my ingredients, the book where I found the recipe, everything like that will be linked in the description below. Prices on Amazon might be a little more expensive than in stores, but I also found when I was doing a little bit of research that it was also, some things were cheaper on Amazon than in the store. For instance, I found that the washing soda was cheaper by like 30 or 40 cents on Amazon than in my local store, so I went with that. But the baking soda, on the other hand, it's like 89 cents give or take at Aldi's, which makes it hard to compare to beat that price. So thank you all for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed. If you guys have tried this or want to try it, please be sure to let me know your thoughts about it. I'm planning on doing some more videos about more DIY ways you can make different things around your house, different cleaning things like that. So I hope you all have enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.